Hey guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today I'm here with my mom, Kathy.
Hi, and we are going to do something really cool today, but before I tell you guys about it, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do right now, and don't forget to hit the bell so you're going to notify when we have new videos coming. Okay, so today we are going to attempt something really kind of hard for us, but we're going to do that.
This technique was used by Tree Marie Soapworks.
Yeah, but originally it's from somebody else. It's from Soapish. And so it's the One Pot Wonder. So I'm going to try to do it. I don't know if I can pull it off, but I'm going to try. So let's go and do this and see if we can pull it off. Let's go and do it.
Let's get soaping.
Alright. Alright guys, so I made those little mermaid tails with my little mold. And they're gonna go on top of the soap. And so this is gonna be our revised mermaid tails soap. A little bit different than last year. And if we like it, we know if we can pull this off today, we can probably make another one. So we're gonna use 4 colors, and of course titanium dioxide for the top. And we're gonna use blue mica from Brambleberry, and this beautiful over here. I want to show you guys. So gorgeous. That's this one is the aqua pearl mica from Brambleberry. And then we have from Rustic Essential, we have Almost Ice mica. That's really pretty too. And I don't have the container here, but we have Lavender mica from Brambleberry. And I just mixed it up with my oils here, with the base oils. And of course a little bit of titanium dioxide right here. Okay, in here I have my recipe. And what's in here, it's almond oil, coconut oil, castor oil, palm oil, and olive oil. And I'm going to put a little bit of coconut milk in here, just to make it nice and creamy and delicious. Alright, I'm going to do that. I'm going to blend it up a little bit in here, because as you know, they don't, water and oil don't mix, and coconut milk is kind of like water, has water in there and doesn't mix very well. So I'm gonna have to blend it. Let me get my blender, because I forgot to get my blender. I'm gonna burp it. Okay, now that I have everything blended, I'm going to get my lye solution and put it in here. And I'm not going to blend it a lot, because we don't want this to get really thick. We want it really kind of fluid, so we can do the layers really nicely. Okay, and I forgot to mention what I'm using for essential oil. Not essential oil. We're not going to use essential oil. I'm actually going to use fragrance oil that I have a big, huge bottle of this. Well, I mean, not anymore, because we're using it a lot. But this one is a really good blend. It's from Brambleberry too, and it's called Beach Breeze. They don't make it anymore, but we like it. Unfortunately, they don't make it anymore, so we gotta find something else. So, Kelsey, what are the notes on that? Do you remember?
The notes of the Beach Breeze's fragrance oil are a sweet mix of bergamot, melon, cantaloupe, lilac, jasmine, lily of the valley, cedarwood, sandalwood, and musk.
Yeah, and it smells kind of salty and a little bit of, I don't know, sweet kind of to me. And a little musk. It's kind of a complex fragrance oil. I mean, a little bit complex. I don't know. I like it. It's pretty cool. That's why we use it. Alright, so let's put this in here. And just, you know, I have a little bit of sodium lactate in my lye water, lye solution, because it's a humectant and also makes your bar of soap nice and hard. Alright, so let's put this in. Like I said, I'm not gonna blend it a lot. I'm gonna try to do this a little bit here. Okay guys, I mixed everything, all the colors up together. And now I'm going to put it in my pot. I'm going to put my white first. I'm not going to put all of it because I want some for the top. And this adds a little bit of bubbles, unfortunately. And what I want on top of this, so these are going to be like, you know, the first one I put. So I'm going to put this one first. Now let's have fun. I don't know if this is going to work, but there we go. So this is going to be propped a little bit over here. kind of having fun though. What about you girls?
It's looking great already, I think.
Kind of. I don't know, we'll see.
We'll get to know when we cut the soap.
That's right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to scoop these out. We used a book to prep it up, and we'll see what happens when we cut it. But this is not done yet. We're not done yet. Right?
Right.
So what we're going to do now, I am going to tap it up a little bit, tap it down, make sure that going up here. Okay, so I'm going to put a, okay, we're back, and I think my white soap butter here is good. So I'm just going to put a little bit on top here first. I know, Kelsey. What do you think?
It looks nice.
Okay, let me adjust the tails a little bit. Alright, there we go. I'm going to put a little bit more mica. Biodegradable mica. This is not plastic, okay? This is, we never use that kind of stuff. All the stuff we use is environmentally friendly. Alright, so I'm going to take you off the tripod there and show you what it looks like. And okay guys, and that's what it looks like on the top from close, really close. And we're gonna let this rest for a day or two, and then we cut it and see how we did it, if we did good or not good. We'll see what it looks like. So I see you in a little bit. Okay, we're back, and this is the moment of truth. Let's see what happened inside the soap. And just so you know, I broke one of the little mermaid tails over here when I was taking it out of the mold. I wasn't paying attention, and it just snapped. I tried to re-glue it, but it didn't work. Well, that's okay. Let's see if we can cut this. I'm just gonna tighten up my wire. There we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's inside. It looks pretty nice from outside, but I don't know what's going on inside. So this doesn't matter because the the tail is out. So I'm just curious to see what's going inside. Ooh, look! What do you think, Kelsey? That looks really cool.
It looks neat.
Yeah, I think we pulled it off. That's pretty cool. This is the bad bar. Wow, I don't know, I could do this. So let's keep going and see what's everywhere here. So this was an experiment, right, kiddo?
Yep.
Oh, look at this one. This is pretty cool. So we're going to be doing a bigger batch because we like it. So, and it's going to be in a bigger mold. I just got to get a... I'm not sure if I can do in a bigger mold because I don't have the right picture to do that with. But this size I think is cool. This is a good size. What do you think, Kelsey?
I think it's great.
Yeah, so this is going to be cool. And then, you know, I'm looking at other different techniques that people are using. And I'm going to try a lot of them. And thanks to this fabulous platform called YouTube, we're going to have so much fun together. Watching other people's videos too, not just ours, you know. So, this is pretty cool. And so, what are we going to call this, Kelsey? Mermaid Wonder? I don't know.
Mermaid swirl.
Yeah, I really like this movement over here. Looks like water. That's really cool. Well, the next one we do, the top's going to be a little bit different. I think I'm going to put more shells and stuff on it. And make a little bit more so I can make a bigger splashy tail here. But after all, this really looks good. So I'm pleased. There we go. And I'm going to finish cutting this. I just like to see different colors, other colors mixed in there. It's pretty neat. Look up here what happened here. That's cool. Just a little bit different. Well, I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to our channel, and if you like this video and you're watching right now, please give us a thumbs up. If you like any other videos that you want us to make, any other techniques or anything like that, please let us know, comment, and we will make something for you. And I want to apologize if I'm... Oh, I think I broke another tail. Uh-oh. Well, I guess these are going to be for us. But anyway, sorry, I got distracted. I apologize for not making so many videos lately because I'm just really tired. I'm going to work, and you know, working on 2 jobs is kind of hard. But I still enjoy this. I love it, and making the videos too. So I'll do whatever I can to make more videos with Kelsey here. Maybe Kelsey can make some by herself. We'll see. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we're going to do another video soon. And you guys have a wonderful day or evening, and whatever you are in the world, and be safe. Bye-bye.